Hey, it's time to show you what was in this month's Cookie Badass box. This month was our St. Patrick's Day themed Lucky Leprechaun set. You can see right here, it was an adorable little buildable leprechaun. He's made up of the face, 4-inch face cookie cutter, the shirt, it's 3.4 inches, and then a 2.82 inch pot of gold cookie cutter. The face and the pot of gold you can use separately in other sets as well. There was also a shamrock stencil. You've got the downloads that are available to you, which are the PNG clip art for anyone that uses an Eddie, a big blue, or you can even use it in your marketing materials. You're also going to get the icing templates that were the little gold coins this month. There's also the downloadable gift tags that you can use for your packaging. Aren't those so cute? And then we also had the tool this month was a Sinful mini scribe, and then as a gift from me there were 2 pairs of St. Patrick's Day earrings. Before we open the box and look through it, I also wanted to show you that this month's featured artist was Erin Brankowitz. She's super talented, she's a good friend of mine, and she is with Lucky Girl Cookies, so make sure you go over, check her out on Facebook or Instagram, give her a follow. So let's open up the box. We've got in here, you'll see you've got the pot of gold, you've got the face, and you've got the shirt. All fits together once you cut the cookies out to make that adorable little leprechaun. You got the shamrock stencil that you can use with this set or as a background for any of your St. Patrick's Day cookies. You got the Sinful scribe, the little mini scribe. I don't know about you, but I love scribes. They are so amazing and come in so handy. Then we also have for you as a gift from me, there are 2 sets of St. Patrick's Day earrings. These right here are the 4-leaf clovers. And then there's also these adorable little dancing leprechauns. If you're interested in this set, you can still get it. This set did go out on the 15th. However, any subscribers can go back in and get past boxes. Just go ahead to thecookiebadassbox.com and subscribe, and then shoot me a message and I can get you any of the past boxes you're interested in. But also, if you sign up before the 14th of each month, there is a digital version of this box that is all downloads. It includes everything here except for the gifts, which are this month the earrings and the tool. In the digital box, you would instead get the SVG file for the stencil, you'll get the STL files for the cookie cutters, and you will still get all of the other downloads that are available. So go check it out, thecookiebadassbox.com.